Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today, just like the Monday video, we're doing another honeydew. And even following along in kind of the same idea or the same tradition, we're doing a different cow head. Now this one's not going to be an engraving per se. There's going to be a little bit of engraving in it, but there's not going to be much. And I think I've done this little process before. It's where I've done horizontal lines across the wood to make it appear that there's several boards put together. I'm actually doing this one out of CDX plywood, which is a construction grade plywood. Has a rougher finish. That's kind of the look she's going for on this one. And hopefully I'll have a surprise at the end of the video for you. She's going to finish it. She's going to do her own painting process on it. I'm going to try to video it. We'll see. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to run over the CNC, cut out a cow's head. So let's go. super complicated for me, this side of it. I mean, you saw the cow's head I cut out, and you can see, if I get the light to hit it just right, you can see the lines that I had put in it to make it appear like there's, you know, several boards put up together. So from what I understand, she's going to do a whitewash coating on this, which is basically just regular paint and some water. And so she's going to do that, and then she's going to foo-foo it up. I don't know. She's going to, I don't know, put bows and all sorts of stuff on this thing. Stuff that's outside of my realm. Stuff that I don't do. I'm thinking this is going to be one for her booth that she has in town. As y'all know, we used to have a store in town for her clothing. And at the first of the year, we closed it with the intention of doing craft shows full time. Where I would take Woodworks, she would take clothing, we'd put it all in one booth and sell the stuff. Yeah, that worked out good for us this year. So I'm going to get over there and see if she will go ahead and do the finish work on this and see if I can sneak in that video. Let's go to it. Was it. You saw that she ended up not really whitewashing it. She just painted it. She just didn't paint it solid. She left it where it looked kind of rough. I should have videoed the bow. She actually made the bow. I just wasn't even thinking. She sat right over there in the chair by me, and she's about 3/4 done with it. And I went, oh, should have videoed that, because I have no idea how she did the bow. I can't do a bow like that. And then she added some little, I don't know, shrubs. I don't know what that is, weeds. And just kind of prettied it up. And then my next order was to come out here and make it where it hung. So that is the cutout cow head. I'm thinking this is for her booth up there where she has her clothing. I'm not 100% certain. And unfortunately, I already have orders for them. Go figure. Guys, that's going to be it for this one. If y'all hadn't done so yet, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.